Nabubomi. Nabubomi.
Dad.
I know I said I'd stop drinking. But it's not easy. And alcohol has so much control over me. I didn't mean to hit your mother. I didn't mean to hit you.
You say that every morning, after the damage is done.
I promise. I'll get help.
That's what you said last week, Dad.
Nab'Ubomi, where have you been?
My father dropped me off late. I apologize, ma'am.
Okay. Before you came in, I was just reminding the class of the life orientation performances, Welcome to My World, that I want done after break, and that this period will be the last opportunity for you now to play. I'm just going to the office. I would like you to please work quietly.
Hey, yo, my little performance for people on their toes.
And your performance thing?
Drop the beat, man. I'm down to the next one. Game for the last one. The niggas like me to get it on with the first one. Big things pop and little things stop. Oh, big things pop and little things stop. Yo, big things pop. Yo, little things stop. Get it. Big things pop and little things stop. Get it. Man.
The guy I told you about, he was online last night, and things are getting hot.
Oh, Sibiwe, just spare us with your love scenarios. It's always just a matter of swap and change with you.
Swap and change is an understatement, Cleo. This is more like puff and pass, trap and push.
Really, girl, slow down. You might just
Guys, spare me with the you might get hurt speech. Females that get hurt or are controlled allowed to happen. I won't.
And after I'm big enough and heard a million times, I'll just keep running back to him.
It's called a tango, guys.
It's called a bang, guys.
That's not always the case, yo.
Then what is it, girl? It's about time women stop being weaklings.
Or maybe it's so damn time you stop being judgmental. It's not weakness, it's called being driven by circumstance.
You sit in my spot.
Big words for a little one. Does it look like I care if I'm sitting on your spot?
Here I was thinking age comes with wisdom.
Hey, don't patronize me, kid. What are you doing here all alone anyway? Don't you have friends?
I've got things to think about that my friends don't.
Things to think about? Like what? Your next tea party mate?
No, like dealing with my parents divorcing while surrounded by friends which brag about their perfect families. I don't expect you to truly understand because
nobody understands. And the only time you can break down is when nobody's watching. You think you're all alone, but there's so many of us. What's your name?
Ayola. I don't want to go on anymore. Life's unfair.
I know.
Do you ever speak about your problems?
No, but I think it's time I take off my mask and reveal my wounds. Come to the other performances with me.
Thank you, guys. Can we please have Nabubomi on the stage?
Broken, torn, shattered. This is an exude of my emotions. Living through each day with a heart that bleeds. With a mother who feels powerless over my abusive alcoholic father. Home is where bitterness and pain breed. Having a father who'd rather be faithful to a bottle of whiskey than his own family. The artificial smiles and giggles console a raging soul. I am sick of hiding these bruises. Whilst everybody else says daddy or father, I say this man, a stranger in my own century, because he has not fathered me but victimized me, robbed me of my happiness. If there's a God that can truly hear my cry, here I am, all alone and in pieces. Today I met a young girl. Like thorns, the memories of what her family used to be prick her mind. It wasn't mom or dad who gave up on the family, but it feels like love gave up on them. If you're a daily victim of pain, find the courage within yourself to rise up. What we face is not just skin deep, but situations which pierce the heart. A world too busy to stop and see within me, within her, within us. Welcome to our world. Each day you'll be a revelation of a victory, a victory. Mama, Dada.
He left this for you.
Dad's gone to rehab?
Watch me cry, watch me fall, watch me hurt, watch me get up again and rise. 'Cause each day you'll be a revelation of a victory, a victory. I know no pain lasts forever. I know this too shall be cast watch me rise. I'll get up from these ashes.